Grabe, ang bilis. November 2 na agad. Ah! So excited. It's been a while bago ako bumalik. Di kasi ako nakapag-walking last weekend eh. So right now, I have to check my progress. I'm so excited. Kailangan kong bumili ng weighing scale pa din. So in that way, I can measure. Ilan na ba ang lose natin na calories? So, our outfit for today is like cutesy. So we're heading to the park. Not just environmental scanning, pero syempre, we'll have the I think 7 rounds for the walking exercise. Yun. So I just learned earlier na baby step lang. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na papayat ka agad. So, yun lang. Ciao! So excited for my result. Let's bring back that young and beautiful year.